Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day in my life / day in our life. Now today, I'm super excited to be sharing with you all of the cozy, fun, sweet things that we did today all around our little homestead in the city. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Nikki. It's nice to kind of meet you. I make a lot of these videos, and so I will link my playlist down below if you want to check them out. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. It really helps to support my channel and it lets me know that you like seeing these videos. So with all of that being said, let's hop right in. Hi guys, so I'm jumping into today's video to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, Josie Maran. Now I have been buying Josie Maran products for over a decade. I love her stuff. Now I mentioned this last week, but I actually have kind of a personal connection to Josie Maran's brand because I got to meet Josie when she was launching her line like 13 years ago, and the amount of genuineness that came off of that human and her passion for clean, vegan, cruelty-free, no parabens, just nourishing skincare and body products was just inspiring. For real, her passion really stuck with me all of these years, and so I'm so excited to be able to share her products with you. Josie Maran has some incredible holiday kits, so if you are looking for gifts for loved ones, I highly recommend her kits. They're great for people who enjoy clean beauty and skincare, or people that have just been wanting to try Josie Maran, obviously. The other cool thing about the kits is they're a great starting point if you want to try an array of her body products and different scents that they offer. And I mentioned this last time, but if you're someone that's kind of sensitive to scents like I am, her scents are beautiful because they're naturally based, there's no synthetics, and they smell so light and fresh. And seriously, I'm weird about scents, but I love the way her stuff smells. I'm telling you, enveloping yourself in argan oil is such a great feeling. I actually just did another Josie Maran spa night last night, and the way that my body felt climbing into bed was incredible. Thank you, Josie, for sponsoring this video, for sponsoring me. I am over the moon because I'm such a fan of your stuff. So if you want to check out Josie Maran's products, check the link down below and you can shop directly from their website as well as on Sephora. And with all of that being said, let's keep moving forward in this cozy day at home. So this is kind of random, but at the same time, I feel like my videos are nothing but random. I recently opened a Poshmark and I've been selling items out of my closet, and I'm actually adding these 4 pairs of teaks to my boutique, if you want to call it that, to sell. So I just thought I would let you guys know, to any of you that have seen me wear these pieces and are interested, I feel like a boutique owner now. Check out my link down below. So on this day, I had some computer work to do, which honestly, like 4 or 5 days a week, I'd say I have computer work to do where I need to sit down and I go through notes, or I edit videos or pictures, or I need to email people back, or even just texting people back. Sometimes I legitimately have to be sitting and focusing just to text people back. So Logan at this point was napping, so I just sat down and got some work done. Side note, this is not where the lights ended up sitting, like finally, but I was working on moving some stuff around on the shelf and bringing lights up, and I thought I would share the progress. He has been teething to the max lately, and I feel like I need to do a video all about that because, oof. Anyways, on this day, I decided to take inspiration from Kristen Cavallari's cookbook, True Comfort. I love both of her cookbooks, and we decided to make our version of this white chicken chili. I always say our version because every single recipe for us is a starting off point, basically, especially for me, but that was definitely our guide. I decided to make this in a crock pot, which her recipe is not a crock pot recipe, but this is what I felt like doing. So on this night, before we went to bed, I made myself a loaf of gluten-free bread. Now this bread has to sit overnight under a towel to rise. I did just want to say to you guys, since I started making this dough wetter at your guys' recommendation, the bread has definitely gotten even better. I still have a whole lot of work to do because it's just not bread. So it's like its own kind of baking, but it was really good. Also, this white chicken chili, guys, my stomach is growling looking at this. It was so good. So, say hello to a task I have been meaning to do for literally months. Our spices are currently stored in this tall, skinny drawer, so all you see are the lids of the spices. And I've avoided doing it not only because I think it's one of those tasks that I made into a bigger deal in my head than it actually was. No, I definitely made it into a bigger deal than it actually was. But on top of that, I kept convincing myself, oh, it's not that big of a deal. Like, you don't have to put the labels on. You can just find your spice. But then every time I found myself spending a lot of time trying to find my spices. And so guys, holy Toledo, I finally got it done on this day. And I can tell you, if you are in the same boat, it is definitely worth it. Everything feels so much easier to find, so much more organized, and I already feel more of a freedom with my cooking because now I know for sure the spices that I have. So this footage is maybe like a week and a half old, but he's already improved his crawling so much since this day was filmed, and even his ability to stand and balance. It's amazing how fast babies can develop, like when they have those spurts. I've said that so many times, but it blows my mind. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, he was not that into this, but like I said, it was a week and a half ago-ish, and now like he will actively come the direction we call him to. So as I'm watching this, I'm feeling like maybe we need to try again. We just thought this was so cute. So we really needed to just like experience the weather and take a drive on this day. So I brought my gluten-free, sugar-free cookies, and my sister and her husband joined us on a drive around town. It was really nice to just roll the windows down and soak up the sunshine and the fresh air. By the way, those are the cookies that I made, I believe, in my last day in my life video. So I mentioned I've been eating a lot of hard-boiled eggs, but I've also been eating a lot of deviled eggs, more specifically. So I decided to make some. Guys, this elimination diet's really hard. I'm pretty limited feeling right now, especially while also being a new mom. Anyways, this mix was yolks, jalapenos, veganese, sriracha, red onion, pickle juice, and a little salt. I mixed all of that together, toasted some more of my gluten-free bread, and made this epic snack platter. Is it epic? I don't know. It felt epic to me. By the way, that is some sun-dried tomato hummus that I made as well that I wanted to eat my carrots with. Okay, I wanted to show you one more meal, and that is this strawberries and cream oatmeal. I have been eating oatmeal basically every single morning now, not only because I'm limited on foods, but also because I can pretty much share my oatmeal with Logan. So this oatmeal had cashew milk yogurt in it, a little vanilla extract, some pecans, strawberries, hemp seeds, chia seeds, maple syrup, and a little bit of salt. It was really good. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. And lastly, check the info box for today's in-video giveaway. And with all of that being said, I will hopefully see you back here soon with another new video. Bye, guys.